understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only one to turn me on and turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, hindsight is 2020. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. You've been so patient, so patient. I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me, help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, yeah, you, yeah. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, when I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig. You guys know, if you've been rocking with me for a while, I love me some Myfirstwig. One thing about it, they always come through with the come through. Shout out to you, boo. I appreciate you. And so the wig that I am rocking is, the name is LFS010. Child, there ain't nobody name. There ain't no name, but whatever. The texture I have is silky, although it's definitely giving silky with Yaki. Like, it's not like that Barbie doll silky hair. I want to go ahead and throw it out there in case I forget later. It ain't it, okay? It ain't none of that over here. I have it in 20 inches. It says the hair code's the same as picture, so this color, okay? The cap size I have in this unit is a cap size 2. The cap construction is 13 by 6 lace front wig, and it is 160% density. So those are all the details and specs on this wig. As you guys saw, like before I even applied any adhesive, like just plopping old girl on my head, did you see how that lace was lacing? Did you see how the lace was lacing? The only reason I added any adhesive was because over here, once again, it's my ears. It's my ears, y'all. I struggle with my ears. It was kind of like flared out like that. So that's the only reason I apply any adhesive. But honestly, y'all, adhesive is not needed with this wig. If you don't have the same ear problem that I have, you can throw old girl on and be gone on about your business. Okay, so shout them for that. As I say, I did apply adhesive, but look at this hairline, honey. Get into it, honey. Okay, and in the back there was also some lace. I'm not sure if I recorded me cutting that lace, but you know they have a little bit of lace in the back, and then it has some shorter hair, so you can kind of bring that in. I did use bobby pins. If you guys can see the bobby pin, child, don't judge me. Don't judge me. I ain't nobody's beautician, honey. I be doing what I can do when I can do it, okay? I review hair, but I ain't no hair doer, if you understand. You're picking up what I'm putting down, okay? But I wanted to show you guys that this unit does offer a lot of versatility. And once again, it's a 13x6, so you guys see that part. It can even go back a little more, like before you hit weft. So it's a 13x6. As far as shedding and tangling, there were none of the things with this unit, like it just wouldn't. And as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is extremely big head friendly. Shout them for that. But if you do have a smaller head, I recommend you getting the size 1. This is size 2. I would recommend you getting the size 1 if you do have a smaller cap size. But I only have the head that's on my shoulders, and I'm an average cap size, so do whatever you want to do with that, sis. Okay, do whatever you want to do with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs on this unit. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con with this wig is gonna be the same kind that I have with all units that are like this. Is you know, ain't much parting space on the side. So once you get past here, you don't have as much parting space, if any at all. So that's gonna be my only con. It's not a big con for me, but I like to throw it out there so you guys know, because I be trying to give you guys a con, so that's gonna be my con. Okay, girl, that's gonna be my con. And as always, the pros are endless. I love that it's pre-bleached, it's pre-tweezed, it is beginner friendly ready, and you can wear it glueless as long as you ain't got yabs like me, okay? As long as you don't have yabs like me, you can wear it glueless. So shout them for that. So those are all of my pros. Plus I love the color, the texture of this wig. My little cousin was just here and she was like, ooh, I like that. I'm like, oh, move along, sis. I like it too. No, I'm just playing. But honestly, it's just one of those wigs that's just really a really nice looking wig. So shout out to y'all for that. Obviously, I would recommend it. Have I ever gotten a Myfirstwig wig that I didn't recommend? So we can move along. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below in the comments what you think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing not 1 red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Husband C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style and weekly.